my English broken this morning, like it is usually broken, so no worries. Alright guys, here with the KRATON 6S. It's not stock, of course, for the few ones of you that already follow me. It's a V4 and it has a few options. Well, this option wasn't my choice because I basically bought it like this. It's a GPM front shock tower. It had, back in the days, the rear one that I bent like maybe 4 times before upgrading to EXB. Chassis brace, EXB also. Stock tires, stock chassis that I bent, RPM, front bumper, hot racing wheel hubs, hot racing servo mounts. I think I may have forgot, yeah, RPM arms, of course. RPM also wing mount, but it sucks. Already broke one, and this one is already bent. Maybe that's just because I'm a bad driver. Oh no! Because I'm a bad driver. Whoa!
Because I'm a bad driver.
Oh! Found a new spot where I can actually jump. I already did it with the Typhon.
Same, but different. But still same.
It's ended up badly, stripping the spur. Well, hopefully I'm not gonna strip anything with this one, because it's all metal here. Well, it doesn't mean that I can't, but it's not likely to happen. So let's go. The first squeeze, one of my favorite moments. Ready guys? Let's go. Oh, it's great. I've been driving the x-maxx lately, and well, it's not as lively as this one, and feels good to have such a nervous thing in my hands. Yeah, nice, great. Oh, that's great. Feels great. Dogs will be dogs. Okay, they want to take a photo here. I'm just gonna let them. Maybe these guys have maybe 10,000 followers on Instagram. Let's see. That's no, it's not. It's on its back. Okay, let's jump this thing like gently for the first jump. Nice. Well, I wasn't even half throttle. So it's gonna fly, guys, it's gonna fly. But I better make it fly straight, but it's awesome. Ready? Nice. It's an absolute beast. That's 15 pinion gear. That's why it's so fast. I think the default pinion I had was 12. Oh shit. That was a nasty one. Thank you, RPM, I guess. Yep. Thank you, RPM. Thanks a lot. In the name of all the hobbyists that possess one of your bumper. Let's go straight. cannot get.
C'est un prototype?
Non, 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 non. Enfin, à sa manière, oui, mais on peut en trouver un facilement. Nice! Flies better than the Typhon, obviously. I have to actually take a lot of time to build up the speed. Oh, wow, wow. Nice. Oh no. Okay, it's fast. Let's do this again. Faster. Oh, that's fast. That's fast. Oh, sh. Ah, jeez. Oh, this time let's sand it properly. Oh. Oh, nice! That was a nice one. So I heard it. I saw a little jump in the woods. So I'm gonna go and check it. Ah, no. Because you have this, yeah, no, that won't work. No, that won't work. Shit. Salut toi. Tout va bien. Salut toi, ça va? Oui.
Ah, attention, non.
C'est solide, ça va. Because of the dusty, letting the motor cool down a little bit. And also that's a 15 tooth pinion, so it kind of tends to heat a little bit more than the stock pinion. But it's way faster, and the autonomy so far with two 5000 50C from Spectrum, which are not Noob by the way, is awesome. I think it's around 15-20 minutes. Also, I may have to think about a solution to cool the motor down. I'm testing something on the Mojave. It would be a super cheap solution, and it would involve a server fan, a 12-watt server fan, super high RPM, like maybe 27,000 or maybe more. I kind of want to do it my way, cheap way, but still efficient.
It's nice.
Non, non. Il a eu peur. Attention à vous. Parce que j'atterris par là en général.
Bah, c'est exactement ça que je pensais, ouais. Mais bon, en fait, j'ai totalement ça. Hop.
Hop, je mets un tout petit coup de frein. Comme dès qu'elle se cabre, je mets un coup de frein et c'est bon.
En fait, c'est à ça que je pensais en plus.
Bon, là, il n'y a pas besoin, mais...
Les roues, elles sont en métal?
Non, plastique. composite, ça flex mais ça casse pas. Wow.